you haven't set up the SIAs yet, these sales interactive assistants over here to the right, what you can do is you can set these things up on different pages. So for instance, this is a seminar invite. So the preset landing page you have here is just your seminar preset. Yeah, you just set this just for this thing, right? So what you can do is set up the AI assistant and you can have a specific AI assistant on these different pages because when you send them a video, right, they might have questions like, okay, they're registered, but I'm like, oh man, I want to know more about this event or more about the lab. What is this over here? So you can have up to 20 FAQs. They can ask the AI a question. And when they ask the AI a question, it's going to give the answer and then it's going to push for something at the end, just like this. Like, hey, book a time with Rob. So whatever you say, and again, you could have the button say learn more about me or check out my site because they've already registered. You know what I mean? So that's a little less important there. But if you want to set this up, all you have to do is go into Dubb like this. First of all, you want to make sure that you have your preset up for this seminar. So go to Assets, Presets, and then all you do in here, this is a quick little video reminds you how to set up a preset so that you can watch that little tutorial. But then
Mhm.
just click the blue plus button right here. That's for a new preset and call it web seminar or whatever for an internal name. And then just set it up the way you want to set it up with the call to action buttons. Like I said, it could be your website, playlist videos if you record that 1 minute video, about your what you do. And then the sales assistant if you set that up. So to set the sales assistant up, you go under assets to the left, you go to sales assistants. So you here to the left, click
Mhm.
that there. See how I have different sales assistants for different things? So when you think about the breakup of your audience, just set up little sales assistants on the different pages for the different folks. So in this case, it would be for the seminar. So all you do is click the little blue plus button. That's going to create a new sales assistant. And when you do create this, you just want to add resource links. This is how it learns. So you want to take either like from your website, different pages from your website that will have information that it can learn from the text on the site. Now, if you don't want to do that and you just want to upload a PDF right here, because it's just about the seminar. So you don't have to put your site in there if you want to. I think it's a good idea just because it has general knowledge about what you do. But I
Mhm.
would upload a separate PDF that's all about the seminar. So if they have questions about it, they can get the answers.
Wow.
And then right here, you can set up the FAQs. You can have up to 20 of these. So what would be the most common questions about the seminar that someone might have? And then you put a little, hey, this is my AI. It can answer questions about the seminar, little default welcome message. It can collect all this stuff, but you're already going to have it, so they don't have to worry about that. And then just what do you want them to do at the end? You could have just your website address, say, hey, learn more about me or something if you want.